What's going on under there? Stick around and find out. Get in, loser. We're giving ourselves V-bangs. So first things first, this is not a tutorial. Unless I do a really, really good job, then it's a tutorial. I'm just going to list off a couple things that I have here. I have a pick comb. I have a brush and a round brush that are full of hair and totally disgusting. I have some little hair clippy clamp things, a couple more hair clippy things. Not the best hair cutting scissors, but we'll make do. And a manscaper, just in case I need to shave my head bald. I've also got a hand mirror, a big hair clip, and this pathetically small mirror here. I've also got my hair dryer. This is not a flex, although I do have a Dyson. Thanks, Heather. It was a Christmas present. I've also got a little bottle of water for spraying my hair down, because, you know, it's good to do your hair when wet. So I guess the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sequester my long hair to the back. Wet the hair down a little. There's like one hair that wants to hang out with the bangs, and it's too long. So I was very gung-ho about this earlier today, and then I had to wait to get the kitchen table, and now I'm not feeling so sure about myself. I've always found it to be helpful to separate the hair out and just do small amounts at a time. This has always helped when cutting my bangs straight across. Clip my hair back here. So we've got the first layer. You'll have to excuse my bird. She's very rude. Refreshing. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm thinking like something like this, like above the eyebrows. I'm gonna start kind of long and maybe work myself into a frenzy. I'm gonna start longer and then maybe cut it shorter if it's needed. Yeah, I'm just gonna start here. Oh God. There's still time to back out of this and just do straight across bangs, but I can do the thing. Oh my God. Okay, already that is not what I wanted, but it's okay. It's okay. This is just a very thin layer. It's a very, very thin layer. These scissors are not as sharp as I'd like them to be. Not for this. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna take a little more hair. This is much harder to do with all these lights on me than sitting in my kitchen. I do much better when I'm sitting in my bathroom sink. Oh God. I really need to clean up my eyebrows. They're looking a mess. Oh God. don't want it to look rounded, I want it to look very pointy, so... Oh dear. Okay. I may have fuckered this side up a little bit. It's okay. We'll fix it in post. You know, I'm taking a little bit off of one side and then a little bit off of the other side to try and keep it even. I may have cut this too short. Alright, let's bring down another layer. It's a little too wet. Oh, there's hair everywhere. Whoops. I think I'm doing it. I don't know. I hope my hairdresser friends aren't cringing watching this video right now. That would make me sad. There's a little too much over here. It's covering my eyebrow. These scissors are not what I would call sharp. I have a pair of really sharp-ass sewing scissors that I could probably use, but I'm not going to. I've got hair in my eye. Just looks like a little too much right there. It'd be nice if I could see what I was doing, but these fucking bangs are in my way. How are they gonna lay? This eye is just a magnet for hair. Slow and steady wins the race. All right, last layer. This is the most important one, because if there's anything that needs to be hidden, this is how I'm going to hide it. I'm going to just kind of cut like this and hope that it looks good. Yeah, I think that trimming upwards like this on the last little bit is the way to go. Right in my eye. And I'm just getting the excess hairs. My eyebrows are so hairy that it's hard to tell what the fuck is even going on. It looks like there's hairs all over my face. Yeah! V-bangs! This looks crooked to me, and I can't quite put my finger on why. I have a feeling this is going to need to be plastered with hairspray to keep it, you know, V-shaped throughout the day. I'm scared to keep cutting on it. It's scary. I'm afraid. I don't know. This side was giving me trouble, and now it seems that this side is the trouble. Ah! Just keep taking a little more off, and a little more off, and a little more off until I'm bald. Let's try something here. A little more from this side. I think I need to stop cutting hair off of my head. Just when you think you're done. Okay, I went and looked at it in the bathroom mirror, and I think I need to thin the tip out a little bit. Oops. So my hair naturally wants to go like... Okay, I do that and it just fucking throws hair into my eyes. I feel like that's as even as it's gonna get. Let's clean up and see how it looks then. And here is the final result, you guys. Oh my god, I am a spooky bitch. Look at this. I am so happy with how it turned out. Way to go me for cutting my hair slowly and steadily, because slow and steady wins the race. I can't get over it. Anyway, if you like what you saw today and want to see more content made by me, go ahead and click that like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you'll get more of me doing things and stuff. Yeah! Bye-bye. Click on one of my other videos. Do it.